Please watch how I use iMessage special effects the right way for wishes, celebrations, and New Year's Eve. Open the Messages app, and open the existing iMessage conversation or compose a new message by tapping on the new message icon at the bottom right corner. Search for a contact with a name or phone number, and start messaging with effect. Here's my contact with iMessage enabled. Now, touch and hold on the upper arrow icon next to the typing box. Continue doing this until you see the Send with Effect screen option. Select any from the different bubble effects. Now, select Screen Effect. Switch to Screen tab, and see different effects. Swipe to left to Apple different effect and see the preview. Send with Echo. Use this when you want to grab attention or highlight something important. Perfect for announcements, reminders. Send with Spotlight. Send with Balloons. Great for casual celebrations and happy moments. Use it for birthdays, achievements, congratulations. Send with Confetti. Best for wins, success, and exciting achievements. Ideal for exam results, promotions, finishing a project. Send with Love. Perfect for someone special. Use it for romantic messages, anniversaries, and Valentine's Day. Send with Laser. Works well for dramatic or bold messages. Use it for playful arguments and hype messages. Send with Fireworks for a New Year wish. Perfect for major celebrations and holidays. Best used for New Year wishes, Independence Day, big events, or countdown celebrations. And the last one is Send with Celebration. Ideal for milestones and joyful moments. Use it for weddings, engagements, baby announcements, housewarming messages, or big personal wins. Finally, tap on the Send button to send it. Your receiver will get the same effect on screen when it opens the message. That's it. Any questions? Then comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new free tech guide video update.